In 2019, an ornithological catastrophe took place. The Fair Isle Bird Observatory burned to the ground. It was completely destroyed. Now, the Bird Observatory network around the UK has been incredibly important developing our understanding of birds, their migration patterns, lots of other behaviour, but also it's been critically important for getting people in touch with those birds, visitors, and particularly young people. These ringing stations, birds in the hand, that's the sort of thing that can ignite a lifelong interest in birds and their study. So it's really important that we get Fair Isle up and running again. It's got planning permission, but it's got a cost of £7.4 million, and it's an expensive place to put up any building. But I would like to ask you to make any contribution you can possibly afford towards the fundraising for this initiative. Roy Dennis is the president of the Fair Isle Bird Observatory and has been for some time. He's one of the greatest and leading lights in conservation in the UK. He's giving it his full support, and we particularly want to encourage people to invest in this project because it adds so much to the local community and to their economy too. All the visitors that go there throughout the course of the year to see some of the most sexy birds that ever arrive in the UK. So if you give £1 now, it may pay dividends at some stage in the future when you go there and see some exotic Siberian vagrant. Anything you could give would be really most welcome. Thank you.